part 4 of the Carrello assembly. Now, this video is a little bit long. It's about 2 minutes. It's weird to say that a 2-minute video is long, but you know, these days we've got a short attention span. And this one just has a lot of close-up views for this acoustic paneling. Now, this acoustic paneling is made from PET recycled plastic bottles, and it does come in lots of different options. You can add on lots of colors. We do have lots of different color variations available, so definitely reach out if that's something that you need. Right now we're featuring the Baltic Birch with the Cream Acoustic. So this unit, when you assemble, it's very simple. It just slots right into place. Now, the PDF instructions are going to be a lot more helpful in this case because you're going to slot it in on the front side of the unit. Between the two stretchers is where the two pieces of felt kind of sandwich together, and it looks really nice and clean once you get it all lined up. You can see here he's just kind of using his thumb to press the acoustic paneling into place. Now, there is a little bit of a lip there, like a route, so it does line up flush. Next, we have the actual attaching on the back side. Now you can see there's these little holes, and you're like, what the heck are these little holes, and why are these thumb screws here? So you're going to grab that hardware, and it's essentially just going to cinch the unit together. Now, it's pretty simple. There's 3 per side, and then there's a stretcher in the middle that also receives 3 of these. We love this hardware because it does just blend right in, and we will be switching it up, so it might be slightly different than what you're seeing here in the video. Now let's move on to the chrome. It's very similar in the sense that you line it up in the middle. It will have 2 stretchers here. You can see that we use dowels in this prototype, but the unit that you will have stretchers just like the bottom part, and they do just cinch right in, just like the one at the bottom. You can see here Andre is just kind of wedging it in. You want to do both sides, make sure it's really nice and aligned. It does just like pop right in. Look at that, it's beautiful. We've really engineered the heck out of this kind of material, so we're really excited to see how it comes together. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments. We'll be here to help.